yes, yo. What's up, Africa? What's up, Nigeria? What's up, Lagos City? I'm your Pisalajo, also known here as Olamond. Yeah, olamondnaija, one of the most finest media personality representing Nigeria, whole wide world. We're here tonight, Del's Hotel and Suite for our own homie. Yeah, Godillac, Muse with nice concert. You know what? I will be your host for tonight on this Wake Up Moment. So stay good, I'll be right back.
I don't want more stress. Money they no for them. You don't. Now we get Lagos.
Your family, we see right here for the legend himself, yeah, Alopomeji, the Gongo Asokuna. And Yotme is one of the most, I won't say rising star because he's already making us proud, repping Alopomeji, repping Lagos State, repping Nigeria. Talk about Omotayo, GC. Finest, how you doing now? Wow, I love your outfit. Let them see you fully. Can you just give us 360? Shey, you know. Okay. Quick one tonight. We are doing two things. It's a show for Muse with Nice himself, and again Godillac, of Lagos. What can you say about the brilliant movement?
I feel so excited tonight. Everywhere is going and sexy girls are falling. Everybody wait for night, Shamo. Okay. And Omotayo is bringing out smart. Okay, tonight, Shamo.
So definitely you are performing tonight.
Sure.
Vibes on vibes. Okay, quick one. Among the evergreen songs for Nice, which happens to be your favorite?
Evergreen. For Nice, I've been
Nice, of course.
Gongo.
Yeah, Pop Nation, big pop, an artist performing tonight. The Muse with Nice. Yeah. So what's up? Good, you too.
Tonight, you said you want to perform or you're just a guest?
Yeah, I'm performing live here. I have my song Hijab, Pop Nation.
Is it a song you do alone or with Nice or with Godillac?
No, it's alone. Expecting to do something with Nice himself.
Okay,
Sure.
Thanks so much, bro.
Well, I would be expecting the vibe, and I'm sure it's gonna be lit because Nice himself is actually legend, you feel me? So I'm actually expecting vibe tonight, you feel me?
So among the evergreen songs, which happens to be your favorite?
I actually love Gonga, so that song actually comes with vibe and energy, you feel me? So I really love the song. We actually listened to it when we were still growing up. I'm still gonna say it, yeah. But it's actually full of vibe and energy, you feel me?
Yeah, I'm back at you.
Good people, we see right here for our homie. I'm talking about the iconic Afrobeat sensation himself. I'm talking about Nice, the Gongo Kuna, Muse with Nice, happening right here at Del, Lagos, Nigeria. Ayotne is also one of the most versatile music artists. Bro, what's up? How you doing tonight?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Your name, please?
Yeah, I'm good.
Your name, please?
Ajala.
I like Ajala Wizzy.
Yeah.
Okay. So what kind of song do you do? Afrobeat, R&B? Afrobeat. Okay. Tonight we are celebrating Nice himself, Alopomeji. This is the Muse with Nice concert. What can you say about the legendary himself?
You know, it's someone I grew up listening to, and I love his music. So I'm happy to be here tonight, like sharing still with him tonight. So it's just a great opportunity for me. I'm happy and I'm glad to be here.
So, are you performing tonight?
Yeah, sure, I'm performing tonight.
Okay, so which of your songs are you performing tonight?
I don't know, anyone to DJ please.
Alright, thank you very much.
Like I said earlier, Nice is a legend, he's an ancestor. So, I would say I don't have much to say about it because we already know that Nice is a legend, he's an ancestor. So everything about nice is about top notch.
Top notch.
Everything.
Good vibe.
As well. I don't know which kind of vibe do you want to talk about. Nice has everything.
It has everything.
Everything. Wow. Wow.
I'm just trying to be my legacy. I didn't wait up the time to take me. The joke to go pay my bitch. I know what you best to do it for my time.
She be the same about this. I know that to do that. I'll check myself on the day. When the blue shot your love, when the cat is on, I know because someone else.
Yo, what's up, good people? We're right here for our own homie. Yeah, I mean, the main reason why we are here tonight himself, the guy behind this awesome gathering, the brain behind this awesome gathering. I'm talking about Idon of Lagos himself, Godillac. Baba, how you doing now?
I'm alright.
It's not easy. You see a crowd coming out for you and nice. Tell us, how do you feel tonight?
You know, we're happy, we're good. You know, shout out to the team, not only the Godillac. Shout out to all the Godillac squad, you understand?
So for your fans seeing you for the first time and those that are very, very familiar with your face home and abroad, what should they be expecting tonight?
You know, Godillac always kid the show, you know that. And I expect back-to-back new single, new EP, and we almost done. Yeah,
almost done.
You know, I have 2 tracks produced by a South African producer.
Yeah.
You know.
And I could remember you did the song with Nice himself.
Of course, and one produced by Flame Beat that produced Terry Apala, and Die Hard, my producer. So it's a big project. You get what I'm saying?
So quick one. Aside Nice, is there any other A-list artist your fans should be expecting you to work with?
Plenty people.
Plenty. Davido, Olamond, Whiskey.
Of course, 100.
Okay, quick one. For the other younger artists, younger generation looking up to you because you are already at the stardom by God's grace. You are making us proud, repping Lagos City, repping Nigeria, repping African Afrobeats music. So for the younger generation looking up to you, what should be their word of advice?
You know, they should never give up. You know, the road is not easy. You know, it's not easy. But no matter anything, shall not give up.
Don't give up.
And be prayerful because God is the way. Like my name, God never lack. God don't lack. He go hard, but he go soft.
I like the color where they leave now. Let's see what's up.
Ìkòkò ajé tó kù fún mi, God bless you, that's it. Wẹ́rọ̀ mi kì í ṣe hip hop, wẹ́rọ̀ mi. Ìkòkò ajé tó kù fún mi. Ọmọ rẹ̀ mi ayọ̀ torí àti kórè lọ́nà ọmọ Yorùbá a kì í ṣe kan ti. Ọ̀ṣọ́lá kì í ṣe kan ti. Kì í ṣe kan ti. Ṣé o ní ṣe kan ti? O ní ṣe kan ti. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ẹ ò ní ṣe kan ti. Ẹ ò ní ṣe kan ti. Olú ọ̀pá ò ní ṣe kan ti. Hey!